In this video, I'll show you how to schedule Instagram posts. If this helps you, please consider subscribing and giving the video a like so others can find it. So we're gonna open Instagram and we're gonna tap on the plus button. Then we're gonna choose the video or the picture that we wanna upload and we're gonna click on next. Once we have our reel, in this case, I'm gonna type in the caption that I wanna put. So let's say I wanna wish everyone a happy Wednesday tomorrow. I'm gonna add my captions like normal. If I wanna add hashtags, whatever you wanna add to your video, you would do it now. Then what we're gonna do is scroll down to the bottom and click on more options. Once we click on more options, it's gonna show us a lot of things that we can do with this Instagram reel, but we're gonna go to sharing preferences and then we're gonna click on schedule this reel. Now we can choose the date and the time that we want the video to be uploaded and we're gonna click on done. Now we're gonna go back by clicking on this arrow, and to make sure your post is going to be scheduled and not posted, you wanna make sure that it says schedule right here on this blue button. We're gonna click here. It's gonna ask you if you wanna upload it to Threads, but I don't, so I'm gonna click not now, and that's it. You're gonna see your reel is scheduled for the date that you chose, and that's how you schedule a post on your phone. Hope that helps.